Okay, good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Sir Monte. Good morning, classmates. Welcome and mabuhay.
Okay, first, we study about the perimeter. Yan. When we say perimeter, so we're going to add all side of the perimeter, all side of the closed figure. Example, what shape is this? Okay, triangle. If triangle is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter, then 5 centimeter, so we're going to add 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, very good. So, meaning to say, 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Okay. Then, 3 plus 4. Okay, 7 centimeter. 7 plus 5. Okay, the answer is 12 centimeter. Okay, class, do you understand to my lesson? Okay, thank you guys and goodbye.